Managing leaves in Quicker HR comes down to just 4 steps. Create your leave types, build a leave policy, set the approval workflow, and assign it to your team. Simple, structured, and done. Pick a category. Every leave in Quicker HR starts with picking the right category. Quicker HR gives you 6 predefined categories to choose from. First, general leave or standard leave like sick leave, casual, privilege leave. Next, compensatory off when someone works extra and earns time back. Floater or restricted holiday means the company gives employees a list of optional festivals and each employee picks the ones that matter to them personally. Special day for birthdays and anniversaries. Grant leave for life's big moments like maternity or marriage. And leave without pay when the balance runs out. Every leave type you create must sit inside one of these 6 categories. Third step, create the leave type. Now name your leave and then configure 3 simple rules. Restrictions, who can apply and when. Accruals, do they earn it monthly, quarterly or yearly. Unused leave at the end of the year, will it lapse, carry forward to next year or be available for encashment. Next, bundle your leave types into one leave policy. This is where the rules of the game are set. The clubbing rule decides if 2 leaves can be used back to back. The sandwich rule decides if weekends between leave days count as leave. And loss of pay sets how salary is affected when balance runs out. 3 rules and your policies airtight. Approval workflow. Now build the path every leave request travels. Employee applies, manager reviews, approved. You can add multiple levels and even create separate tracks for leave and leave regularization. The right request always reaches the right person every single time. Remember, one leave policy doesn't fit everyone. With Quicker HR, you can create multiple leave policies based on department, role, or employment type. Because flexibility is the key to smart HR management. Now let's assign the policy to the right people. You have 2 simple options. First, assign individually or assign in bulk. Simple, accurate, efficient. 4 steps and your leave system is fully built. Types created, policy configured, workflow set, team assigned. Leave management in Quicker HR is now transparent, automated, and completely effortless.